We are deciding where we are going. Have we decided yet?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go then. Let's go, man. Okay, I'll see you. We are going to Colombia Town Step. यहाँ से है अब बचा है डिस्टेंस उसका approximately 20 to 22 miles and 30 minutes. मैं अभी GPS बिल्कुल नहीं लगाया हूँ. We are just following the whole convo जो चल रहा है यहाँ पे. And I'm the last one. जो बाकी सारे 11 bikes is in front of me. So guys, हम यहाँ पे पहुँच चुके हैं and look at this, there's so many bikes right here. So, Harley Davidson. That's a Harley Davidson, all chromed up. Ooh. Yeah. So guys, हम आ चुके हैं कोलंबिया. Not in Colombia, Colombia, PA. That sound, man. Yep. Nice to meet you. You live around here?
Yeah, I live at the other end of Colombia.
Oh. Harley Davidson 107. That's like a 115th anniversary model. वेदर है सनी बिल्कुल सनी नहीं है एकदम ग्रीन वेदर है आगे जो बाइक दिख रही है that's a CF 450
One, two, check catching me 입욕해 못 잡아 넌 Dang
너의 트릭 다 잊어버려버려 멈출 수가 끝나버려 Game over
기회는 한번 호텔땡하면 끝이야
멈춰줌을 나나 달려가 난 이미 롤러코스터 잡지 않아 절대 저 위로 올라가
너무 뻔한 끝없이 달려가는 stage
더 빠르게 달려 나 한 방에만 뒤집어 shot On a day 하면 땡땡 다시 뛰어대 긴장해 freeze 모든 게 정리돼 victory is mine Catch it, catch it, catch me Run it, run it, run away On a day 내가 주인공 bang 모든 시선 다 내게 집중해 이게 내 끝인 정해져서 that's true Catch me Run it, run it, run it, run away Yeah 날 보고 다 미쳐 You can't catch me 난 완벽해 I'm swerving on these wannabes
I haven't expected this many people man yeah I was like yeah no I was like yeah so guys हम आ चुके हैं हैरिसबर्ग में to especially to wish a small little guy on his birthday and you can see that hundreds of bikes right there like easily हमने expect किया था like approximately will be there like 100 and 200 bikes but it end up having like more than 400 bikes so they are perfect it's not like one group ये पूरा एक ग्रुप नहीं यहाँ पे ऐसे इतने सारे छोटे ग्रुप्स आके मर्ज होके आज एक सिंगल ग्रुप बना रहे हैं they are waiting from last 1 hour in that line ताकि सारे बाइकर्स आ जाए this one with the orange trim whole big screen like a 10-inch screen wow that's a glider that's another glider to be honest हमने इतने सारे बाइक्स एक्सपेक्ट भी नहीं किया था when we left Philly and still I think close to 50 bikes are coming right there तो हम ये जितने भी बाइक आ रहे हैं जो लास्ट ईयर जैसे एक और किड्स के बर्थडे के लिए छोटे ग्रुप्स ने कनेक्ट किया था पर उसमें there were approximately 100 people 100 rider was there but this time it's going really big more riders are coming right there this custom yeah man oh. That looks really good, like, you know.
Yeah, so it's the front end of the Road Glide
Uh-huh.
with roof.
Yes. Look at this Harley with the horn.
It's in the same place as every other bike.
Oh, that's insane. Ago the country has Bob and the Johnny Cash. Now we have no more hope, no cash. That's another slingshot. Wow. But this is open. They put on the top with the speaker and all. That's another thing. And that's another slingshot. Yep. So you can see आवाज आ रहा होगा पीछे कि कितने ज़्यादा बाइक्स हैं यहाँ पे and they have a heavy exhaust with that. भाई साहब it's like a मैं खुद first time आ रहा हूँ इतने बड़े बाइक इवेंट में like crazy like 400 bikes right here next level. Nobody expected. Look at there's so many bikes still going. Time when you don't plan things and it happened for good. I think I made a good choice to come over here. Done a good job.
Be sure you can catch me now I'm Bjork. I'm swerving on these wannabes, they can't beat me, I'm perfect. Follow me but can't keep up, sorry you a goner. I'm from outer space, I'm alien, G세서부터.
You can catch me 긴장 따윈 하지 마 뒤를 돌아보지 않는 넌 나를 따라올 수 없어 끝을 향해 달려가 너무 뻔한 move 끝없이 달려가는 stage 얼어붙은 이 순간 I'm on fire
시간이 끝없이 계속 올라가
그 리듬에 몸을 맞춰 one more time yeah.
더 빠르게 달려 나 한 방에만 뒤집어 shot On a day, 하면 day
टाइम हो रहा है 4:12 और हम यहाँ से निकल रहे हैं ऑलरेडी मोस्ट प्रोबेबली 80% बाइक्स निकल चुके हैं ओह माय गॉड Hayabusa swing there. This Hayabusa is like extended. All the riders are coming from the back. Still, I think it's not ending. Look at this place. Why yaar? We're here, our main destination. Somewhere there's a birthday kid and everybody's enjoying, everybody's here to wish him. He seems like he's a lucky kid. क्यों जी? क्यों? क्या लगता है आपको?
He's a very lucky kid, you know, and we are glad to be.
Bad bitches in a beamer, that's a big biz. Chrome heart got me kissing on his best friend. Put in work, baby, you could be my best man. Sending cash to my account, he investing. Dark shades on when I'm off the Migos. He tryna cuff me like a nigga in a Rico. Moving through this shit like GTA with a cheat code. He claimed that he love me, but be fucking all the freak hoes. I just wanna dance all night. Can't nobody do it just like I. Boy, you got just what I like.
Happy birthday!
Come on, baby, let's kiss on fire. What you wanna do? Tell me what you
I met so many different riders. There's one group. Their group name is Warrior Brotherhood. There's another group. That's another group, and you can see their biker jacket. Oh my God, it's lovely, lovely. Hey guys, everybody is enjoying the beer, and it's so fun.
Tell the DJ turn the beat up.
It's
Got
lovely.
a white boy who be singing like a Beatle. Claim she getting bread, but I heard she doing keto. I don't do drugs, I'ma smoke a little weedo. I can chase a man for no paper. Bitches think it's sweet, I'ma show him now or later. I be getting money on the wake up. He a broke boy, tell that nigga get his cake up. Only fuck with dope boys, they the ones who spinning paper, get your weight up. Told him send an Addy and a stay up. Bitches out here mad, told him assalamu alaikum. Who that bitch 5'5", she don't even need no makeup. What you wanna do? Tell me what you like. What you wanna do? Tell me what you like. What you wanna do? Tell me what you like. Just say the word, baby, I'ma get you right. What you wanna do? Tell me what you like. What you wanna do? Tell me what you like. What you wanna do? Tell me what you like. Ain't gotta say it, I know I'm the one you like.
What's your name, bro?
I'm Ghost from Warrior Brotherhood Motorcycle Club, Maryland.
How long you're riding a motorcycle?
40 years.
Wow. Before I born, he's riding that thing. It's like I have another guy, the same member.
Yeah, so this is Prospect Ray and Prospect Randy from Warrior Brotherhood.
Okay.
And this is my state SAA. Redline. This is my state SAA.
Okay.
Salutations.
Okay.
And then this is our Northeast Regional Sergeant at Arms as well. Pleasure to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
coming
It
in.
was you, right? When you were doing it, he started crying and all. No, it was you. I saw that. Yeah.
Facebook page, Warrior Brotherhood Motorcycle Club, Maryland.
On comments, wish him happy birthday.
Our chapter is from Maryland. We have chapters all over the United States and in Europe as well.
Woo! Oh, wow. Oh, woo! अभी हम लोग यहाँ से चलते हैं. It was a lovely meeting of one group. We're gonna meet other people too. People are inside. Wow. That's the bar where we are. So guys, I'm in a restaurant with 450 biker. You guys know where I'm coming from. But these people are taking care of it. And so far, with the drinks, with lovely smile. Come on, I am a restaurant owner. I know it's not fun. It's not good. But at the end, when it talk about money, it always feel better. How do you guys about this many biker at one time? Like, are you guys are prepared for it?
You just do your best. You know you're going to get killed, but you just do your best. That's all you can do.
What's about you? Like,
I think it's amazing that everybody turned out for this little boy's birthday.
that was
We're
lovely.
glad to be a part of it.
Okay. Any 10-second message for my viewer? What do you wanna say?
Always go out and support people in need because that's the great thing to do and the right thing to do.
So we're gonna leave from here. Let's say bye to everyone. Already left. Say hi, brother.
How you doing? Say hi to the people.
Yeah, where you guys, you're from?
I'm from York, PA.
Oh, that's it.
Representing 0 to 100 MC.
Okay, how many bikers you came from?
We came with about 10. Almost
That's-
10.
that's
Yeah,
long,
yeah.
like a-
Females, males.
R6, GRX. They're the same people from the warriors right there. हमारे डॉक्टर साहब यहाँ पे हैं. Everybody is right here. So, अभी हम आ चुके हैं मिडवे में है और अभी हम कहाँ पे हैं बिटवीन हैरिसबर्ग एंड फिलाडेल्फिया. वी आर इन लैंकेस्टर, नियर लैंकेस्टर. स्टारबक्स में है और ये मेरे पीछे जो देख रही है, पर मैं कोई रेलवे स्टेशन में नहीं हूँ. दिस इज़ लाइक अ लैंकेस्टर रेल म्यूजियम. यू कैन सी ऑल द एंटिक ट्रेन्स, ऑल द कार्स राइट देयर. आप यूजुअली बाकी दिन आप यहाँ पे आ सकते हो अंदर जाके. यू कैन सी, गो इनसाइड एंड चेक इट आउट. बट या स्टिल इट्स अ लवली वेदर. हम यहाँ से लैंकेस्टर के सम स्टारबक्स रेल रोड दैट इज़ लाइक फ्रॉम 1832 का से हम यहाँ से निकल रहे हैं टू बैक टू आवर डेस्टिनेशन दैट इज़ गोइंग टू बी 51 माइल. एंड लुक एट दिस रेल रोड म्यूजियम. डॉक्टर साहब के घर पे. दिस इज़ लाइक हिज हाउस, प्रीटी बिग हाउस. इट्स अ क्लोज कम्युनिटी. चलिए, थैंक यू सो मच डॉक्टर साहब. आई विल सी यू. थैंक यू फॉर अ लवली राइड, फॉर बीइंग पार्ट ऑफ इट. सो हम यहाँ से निकल चुके हैं अपने घर के लिए, which is like 2.7 miles, approximately 5 minutes away from my house, from his house to my house.
1, 2, check. Catching me if you can 못 잡아 넌 Dang 너의 trick 다 읽어버려버려 멈출 수가 끝나버려 Game over.
सो टाइम हो रहा है 8:28 और टेम्परेचर है 72 डिग्री फ़ारेनहाइट। थैंक यू सो मच गाइस। हम अपने घर आ चुके हैं। नहीं हमारी गाड़ी, यह रही हमारी टेस्ला। बात है का आज का दिन कैसा रहा? बहुत खूबसूरत, बहुत अच्छा। लाइक आई थिंक it's one of my memorable ride because of the cause. So guys, if you guys like my video, please do like, subscribe and share as many as people. Leave us a comment end of the video कि आपको वीडियो कैसा लग रहा है, क्या मैं बेटर और कर सकता हूँ या कुछ ना कुछ पॉइंट में मिस कर रहा हूँ.
That bitch just ain't a Beamer, that's a big dance. Chrome heart got me kissing on his best friend. Put in work, baby, you could be my best